This 2023 Forest River Cherokee 234DC is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 28 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 6, air conditioning, oven, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, smoke detector, skylight, LP detector, refrigerator, microwave, spare tire kit, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Cherokee 234DC is 5,788 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.